Hello, in this video I want to show you how I tune my Glocks. This is my Glock 27, it's a new pistol. I shot some rounds through it, you've seen it in my video. Now the parts I like to mount were in stock, and I'm going to mount the new rear sight, which is the tritium sight from Glock. Front sight also tritium from Glock. A new connector. This is the one with 2 kilo. He has a minus on here. And I'm going to mount the medium backstrap from generation 4. You get this backstrap when you buy the pistol. First thing we're gonna do is we field strip the gun. Therefore we take out the magazine. Pull back the slide to see if the gun is empty. Gun is empty. Let the slide go forward. Pull the trigger. Put the slide a bit back. Take the slide lock levers and let the slide go forward. Take out the spring and the barrel. And the gun is now field stripped. So now I will mount the new connector and the medium backstrap from generation 4. Normally I detail strip the gun to change the connector, which means I take out these two bolts and the third bolt and remove the complete trigger bar. In this video I want to show you that it is possible to change the connector just with taking out the trigger bar here. Therefore you take the tool which came with the generation 4 backstraps and push this pin out. Just push it through. Now you can take out the trigger bar here, and here you see the connector. It is a bit tricky when you don't remove the steering block, but it will work. And I will show you. You take out this part here, I pull it back and then turn it, and now the connector is free. Then I take a screwdriver and put out the connector with the screwdriver. Rest of the way with my fingers, and I have the old connector in my hand. Then I take the new connector, put it in like that, in the same hole. And then I've mounted the connector complete, and I reinstall this bar by turning and letting go in. And now the new connector is mounted without taking out the steering block and without detail strip of the Glock. As I told you, normally I don't do it like this because I detail strip the gun, take out the steering block, and the whole parts can come out, and it's easier to install this part. Next thing I'm gonna mount is the backstrap. Just take the backstrap, go in on the back here. Make sure that there are some little noses on here. Make sure that they are in, and then put the backstrap on the grip. Take the longer pin, which also comes with generation 4, and push the longer pin through it. You can use the normal tool, or you can use this tool which came with the Glock generation 4, or the Glock tool, and push the bolt the whole way through. too much. It's a bit tricky first time because all the parts are new. And now we have mounted the backstrap and the new connector, the one with 2 kilo with a minus on here. You can see it in the video, but if you buy a new connector which has 2 kilo, it has a minus here. And now the grip fits better for my hand. The next thing I'm gonna do is mount my tritium front side. Therefore you need a tool from Glock, and with this tool you can remove the normal front side. There's a screw on here, and with the tool you can loosen the screw. It's very easy with the tool, there's no other way without the tool, I think. Here we have the screw of the old front side, and then you can take it out, put the screw in again, and here we have the old front side. To install the new front side, take out the screw, also with the tool from Glock. And what I do is I take a bit of Loctite so that the screw can't get loosened while shooting, and I put just a bit on the screw, and this should be enough. I also tried without the Loctite, had no problems, but to be sure I used the Loctite for the front side. Then put the front side in. And tighten it with the screw. And then make sure that it fits right, so that it is in the middle. And then tighten the screw complete. So we've now mounted the tritium front side. Let's mount the rear side. For the rear side we use this tool from Glock. Put it in the slide, like this. Loosen the screw. It should go on the slide. There is a second part comes with this tool. If you have the bigger slide of the 45 or the 10mm Glock pistol, you can take out this plastic here, and the tool will also fit for the bigger guns with the thicker slide. And then we take out the rear side. Use this part. And the old side comes out. This is just a normal Glock side on my pistol. And then we take the tritium side, put it in the tool, you can put the screw on the side so that the sight can't go up. And then make sure that the sight is in the middle. You have some spaces on the left and on the right side, and the spaces should be the same size. Just control the spaces. With the tool it's easy to adjust the sight, because you can just turn it to the left or to the right, and it is very easy to install the sights. I think mine fits very well. So take out the tool, loosen this screw here, take out the tool, and the tritium rear sight is assembled. Now we're ready with our tuning, and so we put the gun together again, mount the barrel, the double spring, put the parts together, make a function test. Works very well. So let's go out to the range and shoot a bit with this pistol. That was the tuning of my Glock 27 Generation 4. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye bye.